Bafethu angazi noma lento bese niyibonile lo mfana omusha okuthiwa uNeo Rapo udlalisa oka Innocent Chikoya ngqo exactly bafana. Innocent Chikoya uvukile bafana ubuyile bafana uInnocent Chikoya. Inkosi yama left back. Well, we've had left backs in the past like aboMatlaba abadle ngepace nama shots at goal ama long range shots yabona abo Apetiko Nechodo yabo Mdledle yabona abo wani konje oHotho badle ngejubane amandla bashuthe epalini bacrossa lama cross la fast kodwa in terms of technique ukuba mnandi onyaweni ukuba mnandi njengomdiba kodwa futhi defensively ube strong as well ukwazi ukushaya ama corner ukwazi ukushaya ama free kick ukwazi ukwenza yonke into uRapo Innocent Chikoya ngqo unguye nje exactly strong defensively ushaya ama corner ushaya ama free kick ushaya ama cutback uChikoya nje ngqo ithi ngikukhombisa hayi kwakuse Ellis Park ke la eshaya uswidi we free kick buka iya kubantu amini corner kick iya kubantu kwalihlaba kwadla lokho okutsovilakazi kwi Ellis Park disaster la kwashona khona uswidi wekhona buka look at how he floats it into the box obviously inch perfect it goes straight to the intended recipient and uvilakazi pounces buka mfana ishaya ukuchikoya mfana free kick i-corner kick I mean ama set piece awube inkinga ngawo yanibuka nje nibuka abadlali bamanje mina ochikoya la kwakusenonga ke mfana noBrandon salibuka mfana usapula uzonikeza ubani on the outside uvulile nikuchikoya inch perfect delivery look at this he finds uNdlanya obviously uNdlanya ngekhanda kayi kwakufiwa kakhulu ngendlela eyisimangaliso la ngangidlala kuyiChiefs ngo 3-0 nangu Chikoya elibamba ngisakhojo awu Chikoya walifaka wavula buku uyalivulela hamba Chikoya ay fana ngangisakhosha uJean Ives Kejan la bethu cut back buka qeda lokuBrian Baloyi la hawo sakhala isefo yabo ithi ngikuphindela isimolontshiya sakho slow motion isimolontshiya buka mfana uChikoya nama cutback as a boxing ay lo mfana udlala soka Chikoya yazivela ngikhumbuza uChikoya lo mfana wathi Rapo buka la khala cutback set piece mfana buka uRapo uvulile i pre-season friendly le Pirates abakamfunde uHaaland uzodlala buka shoda nje ngetap in le bhola leli buka la ubani ovulile on the near side yeah wide on the left uyena uRapo nangu uvulile uChikoya mfana buka look at how he fizzes into the box with a curling lokuzana with a curler uyambona ngempela uyadlala buka uzobafakela dlanini phela uChikoya uyaniphakela bafowethu buka ama free kick kaChikoya wayesa ku SuperSport ke shala ama free kick kaChikoya Chikoya mfana and I wish I could find a match free kick kaChikoya mana ngazi ngathola ama highlights akudala watholakala buka uRapo mfana buka hayi lana ke uzoguqula nje igoli mahala nangu mfi uChikoya ba amakhona kaChikoya lawo la wafakela utsu yabo shaya uRapo mfana uChikoya omusha hayi lo mfana uChikoya bafowethu ngivele ngikhumbula uChikoya mangibona lo mfana uzobona lama cutback kaChikoya aqhamusa nje sihlabudle ku nangu overlapping run wins the ball cuts it back igoli hayi mfana